Starting out in the world of investing can feel overwhelming, especially if you've never done it before. Don't worry, with a little knowledge and the right strategies, anybody could start investing and build wealth. So let me walk you through some simple tips that are going to help you get started on the right foot. All right. Now, this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, but I'll tell you something. Here are the 5 best investment tips for beginners. All right. So first one is to start small. You don't need a lot of money to begin. You just need to start with what you could afford. Okay. Tip number 2 is to diversify your investments. You spread your money across different areas like stocks, bonds, or real estate to reduce risk. Number 3 is focus on long-term growth. So investing is about patience. So think about your future and stay invested for the long run. I just woke up. Number 4, educate yourself. The more you learn, the better you're gonna be with your decision making. Okay? Read books, watch videos, follow the experts. Don't reinvent the wheel. Stay consistent. That's number 5. And make investing a journey that you go through a bit at a time every month. Stay committed. Okay? Start today. Your investment, the power of compound interest is crazy. Okay? Jesus Christ gets you to heaven by believing in his death, burial, and resurrection. It's a free gift. And then you got compound interest to help you with this life. So the younger you start, the better. Leave me a like. I love you.